In this video, I'm going to show you how to conduct a test for the standard deviation or the variance in the jump. Sometimes we are interested in testing the hypothesis for the standard deviation or the variance. So for example, I've considered a data here and we want to test if the variance is greater than 4 for such data. To do so, go to Analyze and then select Distribution. In this, you will be required to select the variable and cast it into corresponding role. You will see this output. Now in this output, you have to select on this inverted right triangle next to the variable, and here you choose the option test standard deviation. So this will perform a chi-square test for the standard deviation given the hypothesized value, which is going to be the number. Now since I said in the beginning that we are interested in checking whether the hypothesized variance of the data is greater than 4, so corresponding standard deviation will be 2. Insert 2 here and press OK. You will see the test for the standard deviation will be appended at the bottom. Our hypothesized value for the standard deviation is 2, that means the corresponding variance is 4. This is the actual estimate of the data, and here it performs the chi-square test. Now if your variance for this p-value corresponds for less than type of the hypothesis, this p-value corresponds for the greater than type of hypothesis, this p-value corresponds to the not equal to type of hypothesis. So that is how you perform the test for standard deviation or the variance in JMP.